Everything you do, you will do better with a good night's sleep. Sleep is the best meditation. It is incredibly important for overall health and well-being. It's recommended that adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, while children and teenagers need 8 to 10 hours. During sleep, the body undergoes processes that restore and repair tissues, promote muscle growth, and support overall physical recovery. Sleep is crucial for optimal brain function, concentration, creativity, and learning. Sufficient sleep is essential for emotional regulation and maintaining a positive mood. Lack of sleep causes irritability, mood swings, and excess stress. Sleep strengthens the immune system, enabling it to effectively fight off infections and reduce the risk of illness. Sleep plays a role in regulating hormonal balance, including the release of growth hormone, cortisol, insulin, and other important hormones. Lack of sleep can disrupt hunger-regulating hormones, leading to increased appetite, cravings, and a higher risk of weight gain. Sufficient sleep supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and healthy blood sugar levels. Sleep is closely linked to mental health, and insufficient sleep can contribute to an increased risk of conditions such as anxiety disorders and depression. How to get a good sound sleep and wake up energized the next day? Let's see. Try to go to bed and wake up at consistent times every day, even on weekends. It regulates your body's internal clock and sleep quality. Ensure your sleep environment is dark, quiet, and comfortable. Use curtains or a mask to block out light and maintain a comfortable room temperature. Avoid using electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted by these devices can disrupt your sleep patterns. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or gentle yoga stretches before bed. Follow a balanced diet to include whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins in your meals. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake in the evening as it can disrupt sleep patterns and affect sleep quality. Engage in regular physical activity for at least 30 minutes during the day to promote better sleep. Create relaxing bedtime rituals like a warm bath, calming music, or practicing gratitude. Limit daytime napping, especially in the late afternoon or evening. Keep it short for 20 to 30 minutes. Implement stress management techniques throughout the day, such as meditation, practicing mindfulness, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Do like, subscribe for a happy and healthy living. Remember, health is wealth.